Well, let's say you just got your board back from the fab, it looks good, and you've used surface mount components to save space because it's easier and they're cheap, but you do not have the nice equipment that a lot of people have to assemble it, like a hot plate, hot air gun, solder paste, applicator system, stencil, or even a syringe. I'm going to assemble this board using nothing more than tweezers, 2 soldering irons, and solder. And they're not even good soldering irons. This one was $1 at the flea market. This is a 40-year-old iron. I think that my father gave me when I was like 15 or 16 years old. This tweezers came from Harbor Freight. It was part of a set of about 6 that was like $3. And this solder is plain old leaded solder. It's not even really thin. It's like 050 diameter. It would be better to have thinner solder, but this will work. So anyway, here's how I do it. So first, I'm going to put a little bit of solder on every pad. Doesn't take a whole lot, and normally this operation goes faster, except I'm trying to work around the camera and not get my hand in the way so you can see what's going on. But normally this is just tap, tap, tap. It's a very quick operation. So next I'm going to get one of my components, in this case a resistor, and put it kind of on the solder pads. It doesn't have to be exact. You see how sloppy that is? That's okay. Okay, wait, let me get my irons now. Sorry. Okay, get the 2 soldering irons and heat both sides of the component at once, or both pads. And you'll see, wait, when this gets heated, yeah. Now when it gets heated, the component sort of centers itself, so you really don't have to worry about it. Let's try that again. Here's another one. Heat both sides. And this is normally faster too. It's just kind of awkward because there's a tripod and camera. It's right in my way. But heat both sides. And it should just melt right down there. Then, if you like, you can go back and after it cools, you can kind of, see, touch. You can touch up each side one at a time to make it shiny and smooth. If you want, it's optional. So, sorry for the shadow. Just, yeah. Like that.